Okay, so here's the heat pack that we're going to use, and it has a solution of sodium acetate that's fully saturated. There's a little metal disc in here. Whenever you snap that disc, the solution will go from being supersaturated to a precipitate. It's important to know how much water we're going to transfer the heat into. So I've already got this styrofoam cup pretty much filled with water, and we need to know how much water that heat pack is going to be immersed in. So if I pull the heat pack out and measure the volume of this water, and that'll be the volume of water you can use in the experiment to determine the amount of heat. So that looks like about 308 milliliters. So 308 milliliters. And transfer that back into the cup. And then it's important to know what the starting temperature is. So we'll put the thermometer in the solution, or in the water, and let it come to equilibrium. Now, the water's been sitting out, so it's pretty much at room temperature. It's 22.0 degrees Celsius. So the starting temperature of the water is 22.0 degrees Celsius. Now the heat pack, when I'm ready to go, I'm just going to snap that little metal thing, and you'll see it'll go from being a clear and colorless solution to having like some white precipitate that's in it. So here we go. And there it runs. You see the white running. And I got to get this in here real quick because okay. Need one?
No, this one didn't fit in our cup. I don't know how you guys fit in there.
Yeah, it'll fit. You just have, once you snap it, you can kind of bend it. Like, it'll turn to a solid, but it's flexible. It'll bend. Alright, so there's the heat pack. It's in the water, and it's warming up the water. You can already see the temperature on the thermometer going up. You just want to stir it around a little bit and just wait for it to go to equilibrium. Now, we don't want to wait too long, because once the heat's transferred from the heat pack into the water will be cooled by room temperature air, but it's important to wait long enough so that we are at equilibrium. So basically, once the thermometer stops changing, then we're at the place where we know that the all the heat's been transferred to the water, and no more heat will be transferred to the water after that moment. So it's up to about 25.5 degrees Celsius. Let it continue. You might just about be there now. Yeah, that's about it. So 25.5 degrees Celsius. 25.5 degrees Celsius is the final temperature. So we already recorded the initial temperature. Final temperature is 25.5. So there you go.